Do you think your bookkeeper handles it all? They might not. And here's what you need to know. You may think hiring a bookkeeper is all you need to manage your business's finances, but bookkeeping is just the start. There's a whole world of financial management that goes beyond their role. In this video, I'll show you what bookkeepers do, their limitations, and how you can take control of your finances. Let's start with what bookkeepers do. First, their role. Bookkeepers handle financial tasks like recording transactions, reconciling accounts, and keeping your accounting records organized and up to date. Secondly, their value. Bookkeepers are the backbone of your financial records and ensure everything is recorded accurately and timely. They may have a skill set that you may not possess, and the real value is they free up time and mental space for you to handle other matters in your business. Knowing that someone is taking care of your financial records and perhaps even making sure your bills are paid and invoices are received while you spend time providing service to your community is invaluable. The work of a bookkeeper makes tax time easier, and it allows you to focus on higher level financial management tasks. However, their role is limited, and here's why that matters. While bookkeepers play an essential role, it's important to understand their limitations, especially if they don't have formal accounting training. Many bookkeepers don't have an accounting degree, and it's actually not required. In large companies, there's typically various levels of accounting staff, so there's someone to review the work of the person responsible for categorizing transactions or paying bills. With the increase in small businesses in recent years, there's also been an increased demand for bookkeeping and accounting help. I personally have seen a great deal of programs that tell people they can start a bookkeeping business without a background in accounting, without any experience. Now, I cringe a little when I see this, but I get it. Again, bookkeeping is in high demand, and with the available tools today, it's a skill that can be picked up and improved with experience. There's a place for everyone, but here are a few things to consider. Number one, without an accounting degree, a bookkeeper may have limited knowledge of accounting principles. They may not fully understand more complex concepts like accrual accounting, deferred revenue, or expense matching. I've seen this happen. I was working with someone that has a great grasp of his numbers, but he was having trouble figuring out why he was losing money and how to look at his profit and loss statement. I asked a few questions, and I quickly realized it was due to how his bookkeeper was recording his transactions. Without getting too technical, I'll save that for another video. His bookkeeper didn't understand accruals and deferred revenue and the impact that recording them had on her client's ability to analyze his performance and see what was happening in his business. She was good at recording transactions, but didn't understand the bigger picture of what the business owner required. Number two, missed opportunities. They may not recognize red flags in your numbers or be able to identify opportunities to save you money. Bookkeepers may not have that deeper level of understanding of financial statements and how your balance sheet relates to your profit and loss statements, so small things can be overlooked. Lastly, number three, recording errors. While well-meaning, a lack of deep accounting knowledge can lead to improperly categorized expenses or misrecorded transactions. I've also seen this happen when I reviewed the work of a prior bookkeeper and noted errors or inconsistencies in the ways that things were being recorded. In some instances, this wasn't even the biggest deal, especially if it hadn't caused a write-off to be mixed when taxes were filed. But it can make a difference when the business owner is relying on that data to analyze performance. Now, with that being said, there's definitely and obviously a place for bookkeepers in your business. The work that they do is invaluable for keeping things running smoothly. Something else to consider about bookkeepers: they are not designed to provide the strategic insights or guidance you require for growth. So, what's beyond bookkeeping? I'll share 3 critical tasks every business owner needs to focus on. Number one, financial statement analysis. Understanding your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow statement. Your bookkeeper can provide you with your financial statements, but it's up to you to review and analyze them. And what I mean by review is to assess them for accuracy and completeness, and to analyze them is to look at them to understand the story they're telling. This may mean comparing to a prior period, seeing trends, looking at financial ratios like the number of days of cash on hand, reviewing profit margins, etc. It's best practice to analyze your financial statements each month. Okay, number 2, forecasting. When you create a forecast, you're creating financial projections to estimate future revenue, expenses, profit, and cash flow. This helps you with a few things. 1, to eliminate overwhelm and confusion regarding decision making, pricing, and where to focus. It also helps you determine and plan for future activity, including profitability, scaling, and hiring help. And it helps you create a picture on how to maximize the allocation of resources, including time and money. I get very, very excited about the forecasting process, and it's a great tool to help you think through various aspects of your business. Lastly, number 3, strategic planning. This is a higher level process where you use financial data to guide growth strategies, investments, and hiring. This type of planning is best done alongside the process of creating projections and setting key performance indicators. As you're working through this process, it's best to also create a plan for how you'll monitor and evaluate your progress. These are tools that turn raw data into actionable insights. Again, they are beyond what a bookkeeper will do. And here's how to bridge the gap between what your bookkeeper does and what you as a business owner are expected to do. First, learn the basics. Learn more about financial statements and how to read them. And create a monthly routine to review and analyze yours. It's easier than you think, and it's a game changer for your business. Second, hire help. In addition to your bookkeeper, it may be time to have a conversation with a higher level accountant or a fractional CFO for deeper insights and strategies. Or you can just join my free Skool community and I'll help you with the tools and support you need to go beyond bookkeeping and take control of your finances. Bookkeeping is essential, but it's just the beginning of managing your finances. If you're ready to go beyond and unlock the full potential of your business, I invite you to join us today. The group is free, and I am here to guide you step by step on how to master your finances and set your business up for long-term success. When you join, you get access to my step-by-step framework that guides you through selecting the right accounting systems and the type of outside support you require at every stage of growth, from startup to making multiple millions. This means not only the tools required, but also what you should be looking for and looking out for and how often. And the knowledge that's key for you as a business owner, even if you have an accountant. You also get access to our weekly co-working and Q&A sessions where I show up live to answer questions. I'm also available in the group to answer questions, and I provide additional financial management resources. So click the link to join us. I look forward to meeting you.